you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another episode. Today we're going to be working on the good old CRX again. The coolant, upper coolant housing, I've been wanting to replace it for a while just because the way that they look, and I've always liked the K-Tune one, but I didn't want to spend the K-Tune money on it, so I went ahead and got a good old knockoff version, and we're going to see how this one works. As you can see, everything looks identical to like the good old K-Tune one. There is a couple burrs and stuff on the inside, but you know, I just took all those out myself, and everything else looks pretty good. So we're gonna put this on, see what it looks like. I also went ahead and got my custom radiator back from my buddy Victor. I went ahead and put his YouTube channel down in the description, so go ahead and check him out. He went ahead and moved it over here. Obviously, as you can see, it was here before. Went ahead and moved it over here. That way we can make it fit around the old intake manifold. I didn't plan on putting the old intake manifold back on, but the knockoff RBC was just not cutting it. There was way too many inconsistencies about it. As you guys remember from before, there's just a whole bunch of stuff. So if you guys want it, there it is. Come and take it. I'm not going to sell it. If somebody wants it and you're local, just hit me up and it is yours. I do not want it anymore. Or could I live with myself if I was to sell it to somebody? So it is all yours. If you want to mess with it, modify it, go ahead and hit me up. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started and replace this housing. Now looking at them both side to side, you can tell that this one looks way cooler. So let's go ahead and get her on. Bam! And it is on, looking good. For some reason it didn't come with the radiator cap, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I am also not putting the coolant or the radiator hose on yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this intake manifold. You can see there's kind of a closed gap here. I know I could make it work, but I don't really want to use this one. I know I already wasted the money on that one, so I might just, you know, suck it up and spend the money and get a good one, but still undecided. Very indecisive about that, but we will see. Also, the radiator, I don't know if it's going to work. Been looking at it again, but I might have to move some stuff around and do some fab stuff, but that I will worry about later. Obviously, I do have a good amount of work ahead of me. Got a lot of stuff. Just went ahead and ordered the injectors. Got some Bosch 1000cc injectors, and I bought a few other things. So, like a boost controller and just a couple other odds and end things that I need to make this thing boasted. But anyways, like always, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
If you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.